Okay, so thought I'd make a video and show all YouTubers how the McGangbang is made. Go to McDonald's, get a McDouble and a McChicken. Open the McDouble. Open the McChicken. Take the bread off of the McChicken. See the patty? Yeah, patty. Put it on the McDouble. Put the top bun from the McDouble on top of the chicken patty. And add what kind of sauces you like. I like sweet and sour sauce. That's just me. And you have yourself a McGangbang. These things are freaking amazing. You should eat it every time you go to McDonald's.